Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. One of the little pleasures of living where I live in North London is that we get to have our milk delivered a few times a week. We still have a very old school milkman who comes round in a little milk cart at the crack of dawn and leaves milk bottles on our doorstep. Up until very recently, we had been leaving our empty milk bottles outside for him to collect in a little metal milk cart, a kind of little metal tray that you could slot the milk bottles into. I came outside this morning to leave the empty milk bottles in it, and I found it had gone because, unfortunately, a downside of where I live in North London is we have a fair few guys who basically scrape a living by scouring through other people's rubbish looking for scrap metal. Sometimes you come outside to put rubbish outside and you find these guys going through your rubbish bins looking for copper wiring or that kind of thing. And so I'm guessing that must be what happened to my milk bottle kind of container thing. As I was swearing away to myself, my neighbour popped out next door to put some rubbish out. And when I explained what had happened, he said, I guess the scrap metal guys must have taken a shine to it. If somebody takes a shine to a thing, or more commonly probably to a person, they like it immediately. And sometimes this can mean in a romantic way. So maybe when you're a teenager, you have awful memories of one of your friends taking a shine to your sister. Can be quite awkward sometimes, that kind of situation. Maybe you're talking to your elderly parents and you're pleased to learn that they've taken a shine to their new neighbours. They like them immediately. They hit it off at once. They get on like a house on fire. If you're lucky, your kids will take a shine to a new teacher. And it can also be used more sort of metaphorically. So you might say to a friend of yours, I see that you finally dumped Apple and that you've taken a shine to that new Samsung thing. While I was looking for examples, I also saw that it was with Gangnam Style that America first took a shine to K-pop. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. It helps other people find out about what we do. Please share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use take a shine to.